You type a question, and somehow ChatGPT answers instantly. But how does it really work? Today, let's break it down in a 3D visual journey. Have you ever wondered how ChatGPT understands your question and gives back an answer in seconds? In this video, we'll go step by step and explain how ChatGPT actually works with simple visuals. Big picture. ChatGPT is an AI language model, generative pre-trained transformer. It's trained on huge amounts of text, learning patterns of language. Its goal is simple: predict the next word in a sequence. But at scale, this becomes something that feels like intelligent conversation. How it works, step by step. Step 1. Input, tokens. When you type a question, your text is split into smaller chunks called tokens, words or pieces of words. Example, how does AI work becomes how does I work? Step 2. Transformer architecture. ChatGPT uses a transformer neural network. That's the T in GPT. Its core is the attention mechanism, which finds relationships between words no matter how far apart they are. For example, it knows that Paris relates to France, even if they're not next to each other. Step 3. Hidden layers and weights. The text passes through many stacked layers, 96 plus in GPT-4 and GPT-5. Each layer adjusts meaning using mathematical weights, trained on billions of examples. The model then outputs a probability for the next word. Step 4. Output generation. Finally, ChatGPT generates words one by one, like a typewriter effect. It's not copying text, it's predicting the most likely next token, considering both the context and its training. Training, learning language patterns. Now let's talk about how ChatGPT learns. The model doesn't understand like humans, it learns statistical patterns. There are two main phases: pre-training. The model is trained to predict the next word in a sentence. Example, the cat sat on the... It learns that mat is more likely than airplane. After trillions of examples, it builds a very detailed sense of grammar, facts, and reasoning patterns. Fine-tuning, with humans in the loop. Humans step in to review and guide responses, making them more helpful, safe, and aligned. This process is called reinforcement learning from human feedback, RLHF. That's what makes ChatGPT sound conversational, not just predictive. How it responds to you. So, what actually happens when you type a prompt? 1. Your input is converted into numbers, tokens. 2. The model looks at those tokens and predicts the most likely next one, step by step. 3. It keeps repeating until it produces a full response. 4. The output is then converted back into words. Remember, it's not thinking like a human. It's guessing the most plausible continuation based on its training. Latest trends. AI is moving fast. Some of the latest trends are multimodal models, not just text, but also images, audio, and video. AI copilots in engineering, coding, and even CAD design. Specialized models built for finance, medical, or legal fields. On-device AI, faster, private, and doesn't always need the cloud. Advantages. Generates human-like text. Supports learning, design, coding, and communication. Provides context-aware answers. Limitations, challenges. Sometimes makes mistakes called hallucinations. Depends heavily on training data, which may carry biases. Not conscious. It's pattern recognition, not true understanding. Why it feels smart. So why does ChatGPT feel so smart? It's absorbed a huge range of writing styles and factual data. Its transformer architecture captures long-range context across many sentences, and RLHF fine-tuning makes it sound more natural, helpful, and safe. Mini quiz. Quick question for you. What does the T in GPT stand for? Drop your answer in the comments below. And that's how ChatGPT actually works, broken down into a simple 3D visual journey. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to 3D Decode for more tech breakdowns. See you in the next video.